In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide rows in Smartsheet using an effective and straightforward method, filters. When working with Smartsheet, especially on large projects, it's common to have multiple rows of data, and sometimes you might want to focus only on the relevant information. Filters are a powerful tool that allows you to display only the rows you need to see, effectively hiding those that don't meet your criteria. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to locate the filter icon on the toolbar. It usually looks like a funnel and should be easily accessible at the top of your screen. Once you click on this icon, you'll see an option to create a new filter. This is where the magic happens. Creating a filter is like designing a set of rules that tells Smartsheet exactly what data you want to be visible. Next, you'll need to set your filter criteria. This step is crucial because it determines which rows get hidden and which ones remain visible. For example, you might decide to hide all rows where a specific checkbox is unchecked. Maybe these unchecked items are tasks that haven't started yet, and you're currently focused on those that are in progress. By setting this specific criterion, Smartsheet will automatically recognize and hide any row that doesn't match, giving you a cleaner and more focused view. Once you've set those criteria to your satisfaction, you'll want to click Apply to activate the filter. This action puts your filter into effect across all views in Smartsheet, whether you're working in Grid, Card, Calendar, or Gantt view. This uniformity ensures that no matter how you choose to view your project, the rows you don't need will stay hidden. What's great about this method is not only its effectiveness, but its convenience. By creating a filter, you're not just hiding rows temporarily. These filters can be saved for future use, meaning that once you've taken the time to set up a filter, you can always come back and apply it again whenever necessary without starting from scratch. In summary, using filters to hide rows in Smartsheet is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your data and focus on what's important. You've learned how to access the filter options, set specific criteria to suit your needs, and apply the filter for a cleaner, more efficient view of your project. Remember, this tool is designed to make your life easier, saving you time and allowing you to work more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to apply these tips the next time you're using Smartsheet. Happy organizing!